Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for watching. Got another awesome Shelby here for you. This is a 1968 Shelby fastback, obviously. This is a one owner, bought new from Tasca Ford car. True one owner car, have all the original paperwork, all the original sales invoices, owner's warranty card, owner's manual, tons of original documentation on this car, bought new from Tasca. There's old Tasca service records. The gentleman that bought this car really loved it, took care of it, and he kind of made it his own. As you can see, the car is really beautiful, nice and straight. The car was fully restored back in 2009. Everything under the bottom's new, red oxide, factory overspray. The only difference with this car, it's actually a GT350, a 68, a real GT350. They said the original owner wanted a 500, but didn't want to ever sell his car that he bought new. So he made it a 500. He put a 428 Cobra Jet in it. It's a factory 4-speed car. And it is still a 4-speed, but it's been upgraded to a 428 Cobra Jet. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's got the original Shelby tag. Like I said, the car was restored in 2009. It's got the original buck tag. The original dash tag. You can see this car is really nice. He went with a dark blue theme. The 4-speed top loader. It's got rear disc brakes. So they upgraded the rear disc to drum to disc. But the rear is still a nodular 31 spline. Super clean trunk jams. It's a fold down rear seat car. Trunk floors. Excellent condition. Got the correct cutouts for the 68 taillights. We'll just go over some paperwork real fast. It's the original owner's manual, Tasca Ford. The original owner's warranty card. Very neat. This car's got a lot of paperwork you don't normally see. The car was white in 1998. So, here is the original window sticker signed by Bob Tasca Sr. and Carol Shelby. That's not a copy. That is the original. Has the VIN of the car right down there. Super cool. Original build sheet. There's actually two of them. Shelby unit. There's the other one. There is the, looks like the sales invoice, the original. The guy's name on it that bought it new. Some other paperwork from Tasca. Here's the retail installment contract. Just some other interesting, there's some Tasca Ford documents in there, but a bunch of really cool documents. There's 3 other binders full of receipts from what the guy did to the car over the years. All right, with that being said, I'll show you the interior and then I'll start it up. It's got the original door tag as well. Typical Shelby black deluxe interior. It's got the bottom plunger for the tilt-away steering. 140 mile/hour speedometer, 8K tack, shows 36,000 miles. A dash signed by Carol. Shelby console. Seats are in great shape. The Cobra seat belts. They're all original seat belts. Factory roll bar. All the good stuff. Headliner. Carol signed the visor also, and he's got pictures of him doing that. Stewart Warner gauges still in the console. Like I said, 4-speed. Just a really nice car. The car is for sale. If you're interested, 304-731-6497. Probably won't last very long. It's not very often we get one owner cars with original window sticker from Shelby and all the other original documentation. It's a really special car. So if you're interested, call quick. I have tons of pictures at the bottom I can share. But next we'll do a little driving video. Thanks for watching.